Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make prune juice for baby constipation. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 5 or 6 organic, pitted prunes. Make sure your pot and strainer are sparkling clean. This simple, natural remedy can be a gentle way to help your little one feel more comfortable. We'll walk through each step to ensure you make it safely and effectively for your baby. Now, let's get cooking. Place your 5 or 6 prunes into a small saucepan. Pour in 1 cup or 8 fluid ounces of filtered water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the prunes become wonderfully soft. This process helps to release all the beneficial properties from the prunes. Once your prunes are soft, let them cool down completely. This is important for safety and to prevent steam buildup in your blender. Carefully transfer the cooled prunes and their liquid into a blender. Blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. Then, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract every last drop of that beneficial juice. You're almost there. The final step is crucial for your baby's delicate system. Always dilute the concentrated prune juice with an equal amount of water. For instance, if you have 1 teaspoon of juice, add 1 teaspoon of water. Offer your baby 1 to 2 ounces of this diluted juice daily. Store any unused juice in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This gentle approach helps ease discomfort effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.